This market, it's putting people to sleep. Every chart looks the same. Flat, choppy, sideways. Bitcoin can't decisively hold new all-time highs. ETH is lifeless. Alts, they're in a coma. Every little pump faded. Every breakout a fake out. It's painful, it's frustrating, it's draining. And you're not crazy for feeling it. This feels like the bull run is dying. But here's the thing no one is telling you. This is normal. The market isn't broken, it's seasonal. And this period, this summer slump, it always sucks. Today we're doing something we don't do enough of on this channel. We're looking at charts. The charts that cut through the noise. Look at this. Tell me what you see. Green zone? Good. Blue zone? Good. Red zone? Trash. And guess where we are right now? Yeah, we're in the red. Today I'm breaking down exactly what this means, why this boredom is a gift, and how it's setting up a Q4 that could melt faces. If you're tired of the chop and want to know when it ends, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into that alpha. This video is for informational purposes only. Crypto assets are high risk and are not suitable for all retail investors. This video is not intended for a UK audience. This period we're in right now, statistically, it's one of the worst for crypto. Don't believe me? We built a custom TradingView indicator to prove it. Now, most traders split the year into quarters, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. And yeah, that's useful, but sometimes for deeper analysis, especially in crypto, it's better to split the year into thirds. Specifically, we isolate June to September because traditionally that's when the big money players, the institutions, the whales, they're on holiday, they're on yachts, they're not actively trading. The market volume dries up, liquidity thins out, it slows right down. So our indicator splits charts cleanly into three zones. June to September, our red zone, October to January, our green zone, February to May, our blue zone. And when we apply this across years of data, the numbers are clear. Let's look at total too. That's the total altcoin market cap, excluding Bitcoin. Over the last 7 years, on average, the summer period, June to September, a disgusting 9.51% down. But other periods, October to January, a massive 32% up on average. February to May, an even bigger 42% up on average. See the pattern? It's not just total too. Let's look at others. This chart shows the total market cap for everything outside the top 10 coins. Pure altcoin territory. June to September averages a 3.28% bleed. October to January, a 36.1% pump. February to May averages a harder pump of 38.8%. And this isn't just an altcoin problem. It happens to the king too. Bitcoin. Bitcoin summers, they suck. An average of 4.46% down for the last 7 years during June to September versus a staggering 42.3% up from October to January and a solid 31.1% from February to May. The pattern is undeniable. It's consistent. Summer chops, summer bleeds, summer puts you to sleep. But right after that, we get a pump. This isn't some bearish anomaly we're in right now. This is the standard operating rhythm of crypto. This is the market coiling. And by the way, I am not saying go and ape in. Past performance is not indicative of future results. These are averages. You can always have surprises. So keep that in mind. But look, we've seen this exact movie play out year after year. Look at 2023. What happened? Sideways, chop, pain, all summer. Then what? As we came out of that summer slump into our blue zone, boom. Market explodes. Then into the end of winter, early spring, our green zone. Boom, again. Now look at 2024. Same story. Actually, a worse story. Down bad in the summer, real pain. You remember that, right? It sucked so bad. Then, what happened as we got into autumn? Boom. I'm saying boom a lot. I need to use another word. Bam? Kapow? Wham? Thank you, ma'am. Anyway, we'll stick to boom. Winter and spring in 2024 weren't as explosive as 2023, a bit more mixed, but they pulled back hard from mid-April, setting up for what's starting now. Probably another summer of pain. Summer is flat, sideways, and boring. That's almost a rule in markets. And this is not one of those rules that changes often or surprises us, because it's just based on the fact that the big boys are on holiday. Think of it as the spring coiling. In summer, not spring. The spring is coiling in summer, building up that potential energy for a massive release.